Hi, my name is Sunil Bhatt.
Hi, I am Kumar Kolipara.
My name is Dhirendra Nirvani.
I am Malti Srinivasan and I am an IBMer.
At IBM ISV and Developer Relations, we are seeking constantly to help our ISVs to not only build their assets leveraging IBM suite of offerings like Smarter Analytics, Smarter Commerce, Smarter Cloud, and Smarter Cities, which will help them not only enrich their existing applications, but expand and extend their footprints and venture into new markets and new businesses. Integration to IBM Smarter Planet is not an end, but just the beginning. We are far more focused on the next steps, which is bringing these applications, assets, and frameworks to the customers. We ensure that the ISVs have a connect with a larger IBM sales organization, leverage the IBM partnership, and get IBM brand leaders and sellers in front of their customers, eventually helping them win in the marketplace.
The constant ask that we get from our customers is give us industry-ready skills. So to cater to that requirement and to bridge the ever-widening industry-academia gap, we initiated a program called Project Praveen 3 years back. One of the objectives of Project Praveen was to build strong linkages between IBM, academia, IBM's business partners and clients, various other industry groups and government for a collaborative ecosystem in the software industry. It was clear from inception that scale was just as critical as depth. Reaching more students across all Indian states received equal consideration while ensuring availability of sufficient certified resources to build competency and capacity. We are proud to say that today you will find an IBM COE within 100-kilometer radius of wherever you are in the country. Through broad range of resources and support to students, faculty and institutions, aiming to provide skills and open standards by imparting professional training and certification, Project Praveen is critical in a fast-paced and ever-changing IT industry.
IBM Innovation Centers have following things to offer to the business partners. Learn IBM offering and cutting-edge technologies, build smarter solutions leveraging those offerings and skills. Most importantly, sell those smarter solutions and be successful. We look forward to partnering with you in this journey of building smarter solutions for our planet.
With over 4 million unique visitors, IBM Developer Works is the preferred destination for IT professionals evaluating or working on IBM software or open technologies across the world. But what makes it the preferred destination? Is it the highly acclaimed technical content written by IT practitioners themselves? Is it the rich collection of demos, how-tos, sandboxes, trials, downloads? Is it the more than 35 industry awards? Or is it because it allows you to connect and collaborate with millions of IT practitioners from more than 193 countries across the world? IBM Developer Works has something for every IT practitioner.